How do motorcycle chain, belt, and shaft drives compare? Imagine riding your motorcycle and wondering what kind of final drive system it uses. The choice between chain, belt, and shaft drives can really change your riding experience. Each system has its own strengths and quirks, so understanding them helps you pick the right bike for your style. Let's break down how they compare in real-world terms. First up is the chain drive. This system uses a metal roller chain that wraps around sprockets to transfer power from the engine to the rear wheel. Chains are known for their high efficiency, often losing only about 2 to 5% of power, making them perfect for sport bikes and performance models where every bit of power counts. But they do need regular attention. You'll have to clean, lubricate, and adjust the chain often, usually every 500 to 1,000 miles, especially if you ride in wet or dusty conditions. Chains can wear out faster if neglected, and they tend to be noisier and produce more vibrations. Still, they handle high power loads well and are generally lighter, which helps with quick handling and acceleration. Next is the belt drive. This system uses a reinforced rubber or synthetic belt, often made with Kevlar, running over pulleys. Belts are slightly less efficient than chains, with about 9 to 15% power loss, but they make up for it with low maintenance. They don't need lubrication and rarely need adjustments, just periodic inspections. Belts last a long time, often over 100,000 kilometers, and are quieter and smoother than chains. They also tend to produce less vibration, which makes for a more relaxed ride. Belt drives are common on cruisers and some touring bikes, especially where comfort and low upkeep are priorities. They're also lighter than shaft drives, which helps with handling. Finally, the shaft drive uses a drive shaft with gears inside a sealed casing. It's the least efficient of the three, losing about 15 to 20% of power due to the weight and gear friction. But it requires very little maintenance, mainly just periodic oil changes, and is extremely durable. Shaft drives are known for their reliability over long distances and are less likely to break suddenly. They provide a very smooth and quiet ride, although some riders notice a slight lifting sensation during acceleration, called shaft jacking. This system is often found on touring and adventure bikes, where durability and low maintenance are more important than maximum performance. So, if you want a bike that delivers sharp, responsive power and you're okay with regular maintenance, a chain drive is the way to go. If you prefer a smooth, quiet ride with minimal upkeep, belt drives are excellent. And if you're planning long trips and want maximum reliability with less fuss, a shaft drive will serve you well. Knowing these differences helps you choose a motorcycle that fits your riding style and maintenance preferences perfectly.